Hello! Welcome to Kitware's Tech Talk on the application of machine learning to the in situ detection of defect formation in additive manufacturing. The principal engineer for this Navy SBIR project is Chet Nieder. This work was done in partnership with Professor Craig Arnold at Princeton University. Kitware is a leading provider of software and AI R&D services, working with customers in government, industry, and academia in the areas of computer vision, medical computing, scientific computing, and high-performance software solutions. Our mission is to develop innovative software tools that empower researchers, clinicians, and industry professionals. Our team consists of over 200 employees across 6 offices in the United States and Europe, with locations in New York, North Carolina, New Mexico, Virginia, Minnesota, and Lyon, France. One of the core principles of Kitware is our commitment to open source. Our software solutions are built on vibrant, enduring platforms such as VTK, CMake, ParaView, and 3D Slicer. Our reputation is built on deep expertise. With 65% of Kitware staff holding graduate degrees, we maintain strong academic collaborations and a commitment to advancing knowledge in our field. In particular, our AI and computer vision team is a leader in creating cutting-edge algorithms and software for automated image, video, and text analysis. Our solutions harness the power of generative AI and machine learning to address the most challenging problems in converting pixels, text, and other data streams into actionable information. At our heart, we are a highly collaborative company. Kitware's customers and collaborators include multiple government agencies, national labs, academic institutions, and commercial entities. Our largest research efforts are generally funded by the U.S. federal government and involve many commercial and academic partners, as well as many smaller research efforts. Kitware also provides custom application development and support and training on our open source platforms. Our areas of expertise span healthcare and life sciences, which include surgical planning, surgical simulation, physiological simulation, medical image analysis, medical visualization, and bioinformatics. We also work in energy and manufacturing, with a focus on simulation workflows, high-performance computing, scientific visualization, and data analysis. Our work for our defense and intelligence customers includes image and video forensics, threat detection, activity recognition, and object detection. Deep learning is a large part of what we do, and we have a strong emphasis on ethical and explainable AI. As the use of additive manufacturing by the defense industry grows, there is an opportunity for considerable cost savings if defect detection can be done while a 3D print job is in progress. The current standard for defect detection in metallic 3D printed parts is X-ray tomography. This is costly and time-consuming and can be challenging to apply to larger parts, and the data from computed tomography must be processed and analyzed before yielding any useful information. In situ, or in-place monitoring of an additive manufacturing job still in progress has the potential to provide insight on abnormalities that may occur while the part is being printed. By leveraging machine learning, Kitware is developing open-source software that can identify potential defects in real time during the 3D printing process. Our proprietary neural networks are trained to process sensor data collected during the printing, including microsecond detection of changes in thermal, acoustic, and optical inputs, and can quickly identify the locations of defects while the printing is still in progress. If the formation of defects reaches a critical level, the print can be halted, saving both time and materials. There is also potential for relasering the defects to correct them while the part is being printed. By leveraging machine learning, Kitware is developing open-source software that can identify potential defects in real time during the 3D printing process. Our proprietary neural networks are trained to process sensor data collected during the printing, including microsecond detection of changes in thermal, acoustic, and optical inputs, and can quickly identify the locations of defects while the printing is still in progress. If the formation of defects reaches a critical level, the print can be halted, saving both time and materials. There is also potential for relasering the defects to correct them while the part is being printed. Our approach provides several advantages over existing quality control methods for 3D printing. We are using relatively inexpensive commercial off-the-shelf sensors to collect data, allowing for easy integration with existing printer hardware. Our data processing can predict defect formation fast enough to allow for corrective measures to be taken during printing. The open-source nature of our software allows it to be adapted for different printer and sensor hardware from a variety of manufacturers. Kitware's expertise in artificial intelligence and software development, along with our partners' expertise in additive manufacturing, has allowed us to produce a viable solution to the challenge of in situ defect detection for laser powder bed fusion 3D printing. Kitware has experience working with both government agencies and prime government contractors, and we're seeking continued support to allow us to transition to real-world applications of our software. The additive manufacturing sector is growing rapidly with a diverse set of application areas in aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and defense industrial markets. Non-destructive testing and inspection will be an important part of these growth industries, particularly where meeting high standards are important. While we concur that software improvements account for only a quarter of the global market growth, we believe that Kitware has a unique and innovative AI solution for addressing the industry challenge of quality control and standardization without increasing cost per unit. We appreciate your attention. If you'd like more details on Kitware, the software firm, please visit us at www.kitware.com. If you are an additive manufacturing equipment manufacturer or fleet integrator, please feel free to contact Chet Nieder at our Clifton Park offices, either by phone or email. He's happy to answer any questions and provide more details on how Kitware can support your manufacturing needs.